Hey y'all, it's Austin with Harris Air Services. I just wanted to kind of show y'all. We're getting ready to take a system out today, put in a new unit for a customer. I just wanted to show you kind of what we do when we first get here and what we do just to get to work. So when we pull up, obviously, you know, we got the company van, we got the installer's van. I'll show you kind of what's in the installer's van. We got a bunch of ductwork, plenums, furnace, the condensing is going to be done on this house full system. I'm going to show you what we do kind of from the beginning, and if you tune in a little bit later, I'll show you what it looks like when the project is done. First thing we do when we get here, we drop cloths down. Our installer's already got this part done. Take you upstairs, show you what we're doing in the attic. So what we're doing right now is we're taking everything out of the attic right now. Max, say hi. We're live. Hi. So we're going to take this plenum out, take the furnace out, coil, supply plenum. We're ripping all this out. And when we get it all done, it's going to be hanged right here. See these straps? Those are going to go bye-bye. Those are bad. They can come down really easy sometimes. So I'm going to go out and show you the outside. Just so y'all know, what we're doing here is we're going to do a full system XV18 change out. So that's one of our higher end units, the variable speed unit. This customer happens to be financing, so we do offer financing as well. But here's the outside for y'all. Cenzio, say hi, we're live. Yeah. We're going to be doing the condenser here, replace the pad. Disconnect up there is going to be new. We're disconnecting from the copper pipe right now. We're going to be reconnecting it, and like I said, that's pretty much it. I'll show you the end product and what it looks like compared to when we first started. So y'all have a good day, and we'll probably be done around 4 or 5. Hey y'all, it's Airman Austin again. Hey, I just wanted to show y'all kind of the end product of what we do when we are done with our install. I'm going to walk you through the attic, how it looks, and I'm going to take you outside, show you how it looks out there as well, and I'll talk about some of the benefits and, you know, what we offer when we do a full system. So right here, this is your return plenum. This is where your filter is going to go. Slide in, slide out, just like that. 2 taps to hold it in. This is your furnace. Right here, this is your hanging kit on the furnace. That way it's very secure. It's a lot more secure than most installs that just have, you know, aluminum strap hanging the furnace. Right here, this is called a flexible flue pipe. That's what takes your poisonous gases out of the roof, as you can see. We replaced the drain pan on this install. This red, brown flow switch right there, that's to help prevent any water damage. Like if the drain clogs up, it won't spill over and go onto the ceiling. This little valve right there, that's called a QB1. So if the drain ever does clog for some reason, we can blow it out and, you know, make sure the customer's cooling. And on the other side of the coil, this is your supply plenum. We have dampers in there to help, you know, do some air balancing. If the customer says that the system is, you know, it's one room's colder than the other one, we can go ahead and air balance it and make it good for them. So that's pretty much upstairs. So that is the attic, like we were talking about on that variable speed unit. Some of the benefits of that unit is, we have 0% finance for up to 72 months on certain units. That one does have 0% for 60 months. You get a new thermostat. It's a way better humidity control than 90% of the units on the market. Make sure that we seal it up and make sure we don't have any air loss. It's a lot quieter too. I'm going to go show you how quiet this unit is compared to most units. This is actually my favorite part of the system, just going through and listening to how quiet it is. Typically on a house that has really high electricity bills, this is the unit that we suggest, just because it doesn't run 100% all the time and it can slow down when it's colder out. So this is the end product. Right here we have your variable speed unit. Okay, we replaced the pad down there, got a new outdoor unit. You can hear how quiet it is. We redid everything coming out of the wall right here. Armorflex, conduit's new on the low voltage because rats and squirrels love to chew on that wire. We cover it up so they can't get to it. Then we got a new disconnect box here. We have a surge protector on our variable speed units outside. Collin County is horrible for power outages and stuff. This will help protect the system so it doesn't have anything break on it. The high voltage conduit is new as well. The furnace upstairs actually has a surge protector in it as well. This is a very expensive piece of equipment. I do not want this unit in someone's house and then something happening to it. Even on our, basic units, our 16th SEER, 17th SEER, we suggest those so that way they can be protected. So that's pretty much our install from beginning to end. There's pictures on Facebook that was in between this so that way you guys could see how, the unit looked during the installation process. If you want to go back and look at those, you can. I'm also going to put some pictures on for the end project so that way you have before, during, and after pictures. So if you want to check that out too, go ahead and share this video too so that way we can get people to, be more aware of these units. Maybe want to replace it, even if they want to maintain their system they got right now. We can do that, try and get a couple more years out of it. That's what I'm here for. Everybody calls me Airman Austin, so if you guys want to try and get a couple more years out of your unit, call us up. Our phone number is 214-315-9722. Sorry, there was a customer right there. But that's pretty much it. I'm going to get off here real quick, go through the rest of the install with the customer, and then we're going to see y'all later. Have a good day.